You're on. You're live. Say hi. Say hi out there. How's everybody doing? Tell them about dirt bikes. What do you do with the dirt bike? Tell them what you do with the dirt bike. Uh-huh. Is that what it does? Say hi. That's how you start your dirt bike. What? What do you see over there? Are you looking out the window? Nobody out there. Dirt bikes. What? What? Say what you mean. Outside? It's cold outside. That's you. Are you cute? Dirt bikes. What else do you have to say? Oh yeah? Can you show them how to say eat in sign language? Can you show them how to say eat? How do you say eat? How do you say eat? How do you say eat, Elliot? That's how you say eat. Good job. How do you say baby? How do you say baby? Show them how you say baby. How do you say baby? How do you say baby? Good job. How do you say... He's okay. Here he comes. He's alright. How do you say more? That's right. How do you say candy? That's right. You're so smart. Okay. Yeah, that's how you say it's all gone. It's all gone. Okay. How do you say please? That's right. Good job. You were so intelligent. That's more. More. How do you say kitty kitty? You say kitty kitty? How do you say kitty 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 kitty? Say here kitty 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 kitty. Here kitty 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 kitty. Do you see him down there? Here's our Christmas tree back there. See, it's little. Elliot, what do you want for Christmas? What do you want for Christmas? That tree? You want that tree for Christmas? Yeah? Over there. That's what you want for Christmas. You're so easy to please. Blow people a kiss. Like that. Blow them a kiss. Say I love you. Say, how do you say I love you? That's candy. That's candy. You don't, there's no candy. That's, what do you say, a dance or cookie or pancake? How do you say pancake? Yep, that's right, except for you're going like this. Good job. That's pancake, huh? Okay. That's dirt bike. Okay. Give everybody a kiss. And blow it at the screen. I don't think he wants to go bye-bye. I think he wants to keep talking to everybody. That's right. Bye-bye. Well, maybe when Dad gets home, you can go bye-bye with Daddy. Do you love your daddy? Where is he? Where's your daddy? Can you say I love you? Can you say I love you? Say I love you. I love you. With your hands. Say I love you. More? Say I love you. More candy? We don't have any more candy. Say I love you. Say I love you. Can you do it? That's you. That's Elliot. What are you doing in the camera, Elliot? Can you say I love you? Can you show everybody how you say I love you? Show them your hand. How do you say I love you? You don't want to say it? Yeah, that's you. You're on camera. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.